Check your clocks, it's Italian time. In this video, we're going to be talking about reflexives, and they're actually not extremely difficult in Italian. Maybe easier than saying like, I wash myself, I call myself. In Italian, it's pretty easy. Let's take a look. So first, the infinitives of Italian will always have this si ending, okay? So I have a lot of examples here. Alzarsi means to get up. Arrabbiarsi means to get bored. They always have si in the infinitive form. When you conjugate them, you will add a pronoun, and the pronoun depends on the person, as always. So here you go. Io, mi, tu, ti. Lui, lei, si. Noi, ci, voi, vi, loro, si. Same as this one, okay? So the conjugation of the verb will remain the same. So if you're going to use passato prossimo, use passato prossimo. If you're using present, use present. You can put a reflexive verb in any verb tense. The only thing I want to remind you is when you use passato prossimo, an avere verb will always actually be essere. So essere will be the auxiliary verb of any reflexive verb, okay? So for example, lavare, which means to wash. If you say I washed it, you could say l'ho lavato. So I used avere as my auxiliary. But when you're saying I washed myself, it's mi sono lavato. So you have to use essere as the auxiliary with every reflexive, no exceptions. You do not say mi ho lavato, like I have washed myself. You say mi sono lavato, and that's always the case with reflexives. So with this information, let's begin, and you'll see how easy it really is. So first, let's do I wake up, svegliarsi, at 8 a.m. So I wake up, this is present tense, we're speaking in general. So it'd say mi sveglio alle 8. So that's literally it, mi sveglio alle 8. What if I say like ti sveglio? That means I wake you up. So if I say ci sveglio, it means like I wake us up. So me is myself. So I wake myself up at 8. Now let's go to the past tense. I woke up. Okay, so that's, well, what about just I woke you up? That would be ti ho svegliato, right? Like this with a space here. Ti ho svegliato. But when we're saying I woke myself up, can we keep the avere? No, we have to make it essere. So mi sono svegliato alle 8. That's perfect. I woke up. Look at this perfect passato prossimo tense with the pronoun and with essere. Mi sono svegliato alle 8. So let's add another one. She woke up at 9. So remember, lei is going to be si. All right? So this time we're going to say si è essere. Third person essere is è. Si è svegliato alle 9. Is this correct with this O here? It's actually svegliata. With essere as your auxiliary, there must be agreement, gender and plural agreement. So si è svegliata, the letter A is feminine singular, si è svegliata alle 9. If it's the same example, but it's he woke up, so we say he woke up, it would be si è svegliato. If it's they, it's si sono svegliati, okay? Next is I feel tired. So even feel is actually reflexive in Italian because like I feel myself. You could feel other things. I feel you, I feel the table, but what if you say I feel? It's actually I feel myself. So I feel tired is not just sento stanco. You would have to say add this classic pronoun, mi sento stanco. If it's she feels tired, it's going to be what? Si sente stanca. So look at all this agreement. First of all, third person singular, that's going to be an E ending. Si is the pronoun for third person singular, and then this A because it's a girl. So she feels tired, si sente stanca. All right? Let's continue on. I fell asleep early last night. So fall asleep is also reflexive. Addormentarsi, okay? So mi sono addormentato presto ieri sera. All right? Mi sono addormentato. Perfect. Io mi sono addormentato ieri sera. This is, again, just simple past. What about brush your teeth? So now we have a command. So in a command, do you guys remember that pronouns get attached at the end of the verb? So instead of saying like ti lavi, it's actually going to be lavati I denti. Lavati I denti. So this ti right here is the pronoun. Lavati I denti. Same thing. So usually if it's not a command, it could be ti siedi. But if we're giving the command, it could be siediti. Siediti. That's a very common word in Italian because it means sit down. Sit yourself. Siediti. Sit yourself. Siediti. Once you sit down, you could say mi sono seduto. So this means I sat down. I sat myself down, always with the essere and the agreement. I'm a boy, so mi sono seduto. Let's do 2 more examples. I used to always get angry in the morning. So this is going to be imperfetto verb tense. The verb is get angry, so that's going to be arrabbiarsi, okay? So we're going to use imperfetto. So mi, always me, with I, arrabbiavo, sempre la mattina. Okay, did I spell that wrong? No. So notice the verb tense. In this case, it's only 2 words. There's no need for essere because imperfetto does not have an auxiliary verb. But yes, you still need the pronoun before the verb. Mi arrabbiavo sempre. If you want to say she always get mad, you'd say si arrabbiava sempre. Okay? Si arrabbiava sempre. So this is imperfetto verb tense. You can obviously put reflexives in any verb tense. Last example is now we have future. And it's you. Get bored is going to be annoiarsi. So first we have to think about the future. So ti annoierai. First of all, non ti annoi. Like this. I don't know why it says my spelling's wrong. It must not recognize this word, but non ti annoierai. This means you won't get bored. We have the negation for you will not. We have the future. And we have the classic pronoun. When it's second person you, the pronoun is ti. So here are the pronouns one more time. You guys can do it with anything. For example, to get up, you all get up, vi alzate. Or they get up, si alzano. Or they get bored is si annoiano. Or she gets bored, si annoia. Or I get bored, mi annoio. So you can start to play with these, make some sentences, make some mixes, and I hope you guys learned something. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.